Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Apple ID not active or Apple ID lock or Apple ID restriction issue. It's very easy and simple method. This kind of problem mostly happen when you are trying to change your email and very frequently you are trying to reset password or log in different devices from different countries. So somehow you know this Apple authorized, they think it's a unauthorized access, so they are actually disable your account. So now I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first of all, you have to note down that email and that main full name. So I already have noted down. Then after that you have to go open website unlockplan.com. As you can see, unlockplan.com, and you have to create a account over here. So I already have account, so let me try to log in. Once I log in, then I have to go IMEI service, and IMEI service you have to type here Apple ID not active, Apple ID, Apple ID. So as you can see, Apple ID, this person is not active, so you have to select this, and this is not a free service. You must have to pay for that. Before you place an order, you must have to add balances. So you have to type over that phone IMEI and those all details like name and full name, emails. So after that you have to click OK. Let me check does it fix or not. As you can see, it's in now in process. It was waiting for action, now it's in process. After 1 or 2 or 3 days later it will be success. In my time it was like 2 days later. As you can see, it's in success. 1703 order number, and cost was around $4 or $5. It's vary on that market. So thanks for watching my video.